that you've armed yourself with the tracks, it's time to hit the road.
So the first mod you can do to your four-wheel drive is get yourself a set of decent tyres before you hit the tracks. So there's a variety of different options on the market, so you can go for mud terrains, all terrains, depending on what your sort of daily circumstances are on with your vehicle. I tend to stick with the mud terrains because the tracks here in the UK are predominantly muddy, so they offer a lot more traction. However, if it's your daily driver, the all terrains are a great choice to give you a best of both worlds. So more often than not, I see people getting themselves in a spot or bother. And the best way you can overcome that is invest in a decent recovery bag and fill that up with rated recovery gear. The best way to overcome self-recoveries is if you invest in a set of recovery boards. Is the best way of doing self-recoveries. It's very, very cheap, and these are readily available across the market. If you do find yourself going out alone, if you do get stuck, make sure you carry a tow strap, something that you can use to get yourself out if someone comes and rescues you.
Babe, you do realise that you need to be driving for me to pull you out?
So this is a recap from video 1, which is the Greenlaning for beginners in the UK. So this is kind of follow on from that. Just a general bunch of tips thrown at you guys that I see more often than not people getting themselves into a spot of mischief, and these are just to help you guys have more fun on the tracks and get yourself out of a spot of bother. So if you like the video, hit a thumbs up, and more important, just get out there, have fun, and then we will see you in the next one.